There's another winter storm here in New York City. I'm braving the elements only because, well, it's 4 o'clock. The markets are closed and it's time to warm up for happy hour in the Big Apple. Much like the streets of New York during the snowstorm, U.S. stocks, they took a beating today, following disappointing factory activity data that lifted concerns about the health of the economy. Now, stocks, they were flat to start the session, this ahead of the report that had U.S. manufacturing expanding at a substantially slower pace in January. Now, on the economic front, U.S. manufacturers expanded in January at its slowest rate in 8 months. This as the Institute for Supply Management Index took a dive to 51.3% from 56.5% in December, dropping below its 200-day moving average for the first time since December 28, 2012. The Dow Jones Industrial Average down nearly 300 points, with all but one of its 30 components in the red. The S&P 500 falling nearly 40 points, with telecommunications the hardest hit, and falling under 4,000, the Nasdaq saw a triple-digit decline approaching the bell. Now, for each share rising, roughly 6 fell on the New York Stock Exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets fared to start off the session and week. In the other markets, the U.S. dollar edged lower against its counterparts. Crude futures fell about $1 to 96.43 a barrel, and gold futures jumping $20.10, 1.6% to $1259.90 an ounce. And there's no major corporate news today, so guess what? That's it. Go back inside, warm up, and relax. Kick back, and hopefully the markets will have a better day tomorrow. And if not, I'll still be here to report the news. From ModernWallStreet.com, hey, I'm James Swinning.